Dear students, now we are in the chapter of circles. In yesterday class, we discussed exercise 1C chapter, Roman number 2 sums. Now we are going to discuss today exercise 1C, Roman number 3 model. I am giving a schedule to you. Roman number 3, 1, 2, 3. I want to discuss with you these sums. Remaining sums you do homework. 6, 7, 9, 11, 13. The 6th and 7th question are 7 marks IMP questions. Let us discuss first question. If x square plus y square is equal to c square, comma x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, intersect AB. So he is giving a line and a circle. Intersect AB, intersects at A and B. Intersects at A comma B. Find AB bar. AB bar meaning is length of chord. Hence deduce the condition after completion of finding the length of chord. Hence deduce the condition. Deduce the condition that the line touches the circle. The line touches the circle. A circle having center 0, 0 and radius C given here. A line intersecting the circle in two distinct points A and B. Here center 0, 0 and the radius from center to any point on the circle. This is radius, this is D, this is O. D means perpendicular distance from center to the line. So given circle is x square plus y square equal to c square. So D I am writing now. D is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. The perpendicular distance from origin to the line formula mod c by root of a square plus b square. Using this one you can write here modulus of minus 1 by root of minus 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Now length of chord formula I am writing. Length of chord formula proof also I said in 2 days back class. Length of chord formula 2 root r square minus d square, that is equal to 2 into root of r square which is c square minus d square is this one, 1 by 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, that is equal to 2 root of this one taken LCM minus c square. Here it becomes a square b square by here denominator a square plus b square. This is the length of chord. Next, condition of tangency. If a line touches the circle, then condition of tangency is r is equal to d. This is the important concept. R is equal to d. What is r? R is the radius of circle. And what is d? This is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. Here 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So c by 1 you write and squaring both sides you write. Taken this one, this is this side, this is this side. So you can write the required condition is 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1 by c square. That's all. This is the condition. Now Roman number 3, first question completed. Let us discuss about second question. Second question, the line y equal to mx plus c. This is also same model. Line y is equal to mx plus c. The line y is equal to mx plus c, comma circle. the line y equal to mx plus c comma circle x square plus y square is equal to this is also this is a square he given. A square intersects the line and circle intersects at A and B, capital A comma capital B, the letters he given. If AB is equal to 2 lambda, so he is giving the length of chord as 2 lambda, then show that c square is equal to a square minus lambda square into m square plus 1. So length of chord he given, using length of chord formula we should prove this one. In the similar way you can write this one as chord equation, the chord intersecting the circle in two distinct points. This is A, this is B. AB is equal to 2 lambda. From center to the line, this is D, perpendicular distance. The center of the circle is 0, 0 and this is A. So D I am writing is equal to D means perpendicular from center to the line. Given line you write here. Given line mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. Mx minus y plus c equal to 0 and given circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Here center is equal to 0, 0 and radius r is equal to a. D is equal to perpendicular distance from 0, 0 to the line. You can write as mod c by root a square plus b square concept, c by root of m square plus 1. So length of chord, once again making you to remember the formula, length of chord is 2 root r square minus d square. Length of chord is 2 root r square minus d square. That implies he given the length of chord as 2 lambda. 2 lambda is equal to 2 root r square means here a square minus c square by m square plus 1. 2 got cancelled. Squaring both sides you write. Whenever squaring both sides we can write here lambda square is equal to a square into m square plus 1. A square into m square plus 1 minus c square whole by m square plus 1. So by cross multiplication we can write this one m square plus 1 taken that side. So c square is equal to directly this one taken this side becomes minus c square taken this side. Then it becomes c square is equal to a square minus lambda square into m square plus 1. This is the condition. These are 4 marks sums. Now third question. Third question is also 4 marks sum. Length of chord he given. Find the equation of circle with center minus 2, 3 cutting a length of chord 2 units on a line he given. To find out the equation of circle, we should know center and radius. So to calculate radius, if a line given as a tangent, we should use the formula r is equal to d. If a line given as a chord, we should use the formula length of chord 2 root r square plus d square. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. Third one, find the equation. Find the equation of circle with center minus 2, 3. Find the equation of circle with center minus 2, 3. Cutting a chord length. Cutting a chord length. 2 units on. 2 units on the line 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Draw the circle like this. Draw line like this. Put A and B here. The center of the circle he mentioned as minus 2, 3. this one. Draw perpendicular line. This is D. This is R. First of all, line perpendicular line you calculate using the formula modulus of ax1 plus b1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. This is the line. The line is 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. So, using the perpendicular formula 3 minus, this is minus 2 comma 3, modulus of ax1 plus b1 plus c by root a square plus b square. You write here minus 6 plus 12 plus 4 over modulus by this is 5. So, 12 over 4 is 16, 16, 6, 10, 10 by 5 equal to 2. Now, length of chord I am writing here. Length of chord. Length of chord formula 2 root r square minus d square, that is equal to 2. These 2 and these 2 will be getting cancelled. By squaring both sides we can get r square minus d square is equal to 1. Here r square minus d meaning the perpendicular distance from center to the chord is 2. So r square minus 4 is equal to 1, you write r square is equal to 5. Therefore equation of circle. Equation of circle formula, general form is called as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That implies using the center, this one minus 2 comma 3, you can write here x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 5. By expanding, we can get the equation of a circle as x, this is 2, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, and the 4 plus 9, 13, 13 minus 5, 8 plus 8 equal to 0 is the required equation of circle. This is the third question. Now, you do fourth and fifth. Depends upon the equation of tangent and normal you can do. Sixth question is IMP question, 7 marks question. Prove that the tangent at 3 comma minus 2. Prove that the tangent at 3 comma minus 2 of a circle. Tangent at 3 comma minus 2 of circle x square plus y square is equal to 13. X square plus y square equal to 13 touches the circle. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 equal to 0. Also find point of contact. Also find point of contact. A tangent at 3 comma minus 2 for this circle. That tangent is also touches this circle and also find the point of contact of this circle. So you should try to understand that a line, a single line is a common tangent of 2 circles. A common tangent of 2 circles. Draw diagram like this. This is a circle. The circle having 0, 0. Tangent drawn here. This is another circle. This is another circle, this is the second circle. This is the first circle and this is second circle. So whatever the tangent you drawn to the first circle, the line itself is a tangent to the second circle. So draw like this and this is center, this is center. This is point of contact. Put P here. The point P is 3 comma minus 2 and put Q here. The point Q is point of contact and the perpendicular distance from center to the line is radius. The condition R is equal to D. Here C2. C2 also given C1 0 0 and C2 minus 1 comma 5 you can write here. This is center 2. This is center 1. Minus 1 comma 5. Okay. Let us write in 7 marks way. Given circles I am writing. Given circles x square plus y square is equal to 13. So you write here C, this is the first equation. C1 is equal to 0 comma G1 and R 0 comma 0 and R1 equal to root 13. Next step, given circles x square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 equal to 0. This is second equation. You write here C2 is equal to, according to formula, minus g comma minus f. So this is minus 1 comma 5 and R2 is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. You can write this one as 1 plus 25 plus 26. This is 26 plus 26 root 52. You can write that one as 2 root 13. 2 root 13, root 52 can be written as 2 root 13. Now, I am writing as equation of tangent. Equation of tangent yet 3 comma minus 2 to 1. Yet 3 comma minus 2 to 1 means for first circle. For first circle, equation of tangent yet 3 comma minus 2. The formula is S1 equal to 0. The S1 notation xx1 plus yy1 minus r square for the x square plus y square equal to r square model circle. So you write here 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. This is the third equation. Now we should prove that the same line is tangent to the second circle. If any line is tangent to any circle, then the condition of tangency is r is equal to d. So what is r? Radius of second circle. What is d? Perpendicular distance from second center to this line is d. By condition, using condition I am writing. Using condition. Using condition r is equal to d. R means here 2 root 13. So whatever the perpendicular distance from center to second circle, second center to this line, we should get the answer as 2 root 13. Then only r is equal to d. Now using r is equal to d, d I am writing. D means perpendicular distance from this center to this line. Modulus of ax1 plus bn plus c by root of a square plus b square concept. 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into 5 minus 13 over modulus by root of this is 9 plus 4. You can write here minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 minus 13 minus 26. There will be no minus because it is modulus 2 root. So you can write 2 into 13 and minus 3 minus 16 and minus 6 minus 20. So 26 you can write it. 26 by root 13. This can be written as 2 into 13. Okay. 2 into 13 by root 13. You can write this one as 2 root 13. That's all. 2 root 13. We should write here since r is equal to d. Since r is equal to d, therefore 3 is, 3 means this one. The common tangent, the tangent, whatever the tangent of first circle. 3 is also a tangent of 3 is also a tangent of 2. So it is common tangent of the circle. Now to get the point of contact, I said the theorem and formula also. Point of contact is the foot of perpendicular. Point of contact is foot of perpendicular from C2, because whatever the point of contact you need that only. Should not get confused. Don't get this one. If you get this one, you will be getting 3 comma minus 2. So you should not do this one. Using this center, you should calculate this foot of perpendicular from center to this line. Whatever the tangent is common for the two circles. Foot of perpendicular from C2. C2 means here minus 1 comma 5 to the line the common tangent 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. Using the foot of perpendicular formula, h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by plus c by a square plus b square. So write here h minus of minus 1, h plus 1 is equal to k minus 5 by minus 2. H minus 1 by 3 is equal to k minus 5 by minus 2 is equal to minus of minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 whole by 9 plus 4, this is 13. This is 3, 10, 13, 13, 26 minus of minus plus 26, 9 plus 4, 13. It will be dividing in 2 times. That implies I am writing here h plus 1 is equal to 6. H plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2, comma, k minus 5 by minus 2 is equal to 2. This is 2. So 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1 of 5. H plus 1 equal to 5 here. H plus 1 equal to 6. K minus 5 is equal to minus 4. So 5 comma 1. Therefore, point of contact, right? Point of contact equal to 5 comma 1. This is the IMP 7 marks model. Generally, 2 models are there. Exercise 1A, triple of points, concyclic, and 4 points. Whenever 4 points are given, correct to find the equation of circle using the 4 points and concyclic model. Otherwise, passing through the 2 points and center line on the center line on any line, that is the model. 100%, that is first 7 mark question. Next 7 mark question depends upon exercise 5ER. If he wants to give the question in exercise 7, exercise 1C, so exercise 1C, he will give this question. 6th question, 7th question. 7th question are important 7 mark questions. Exercise 1E, not 7E. Exercise 1E is IMP model. 2 7 marks are there in circle chapter. First one is from exercise 1A, sure, and the second one may be here or may be in exercise 1A. Now, let us discuss about 7th question. Show that the tangent at minus 1 comma 2. Show that the tangent. Show that the tangent at minus 1 comma 2 of the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0 touches the circle. Touches the circle. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equal to 0. Also find the point of contact. He given as its, also find its point of contact, is this one. Also find its point of contact. So, for a second circle directly he is asking. Also find its point of contact. Show that the tangent at minus 1 comma 2 of the circle. For this circle, at this one, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. If this is a circle, we should calculate a tangent using this equation. If the tangent is also, not if, we should prove the tangent also tangent of this one, meaning using r is equal to in the same model. Later, point of contact using the foot of perpendicular concept. Draw diagrams in the similar way. This is C1. I am writing given circles in the old sum model. Given circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. This is 1. Put here C1 center 1 formula 2 comma 4 and R1 equal to root of g square plus f square minus c 4 plus 16 minus 7. So it is 3. 4 plus 60. 4, 16, 20. 20 minus 7. 30. Because g square plus f square minus c concept. Root 30. 4 plus 16. 20 minus 7. Okay, next let us write the equation x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equal to 0. This is second equation. C2. C2 means here minus 2 comma minus 3 and R2 is equal to root of 9 plus 4. This is also root 30. So the circles, both circles having same radius, root 30. C1 and C2. This is root 30. This is root 30. C1 2 comma 4. C2 minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay. Equation of tan. Put here P. The point he given as minus 1 comma 2. The point he given as minus 1 comma. This one you should calculate. Now I am writing equation of tangent of 1. Yet equation of tangent of 1 yet minus 1 comma 2. I am making you to remember the equation of tangent formula S1 equal to 0. The S1 equal to 0 notation is xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. This is the notation. Even though you know I had written to make you to remember, that implies x into x1 here using first circle. X into x1 means here x into minus 1 plus y into y1 y into 2 minus this is g. Don't get confused, don't change the symbol, simply minus 2. So coef of half of the coef of x minus 2 into x minus 1. Here minus 4 into y plus 2 plus 7 equal to 0. Using this one we can write as minus x plus 2y minus 2x plus 2 minus x plus 2y minus 2x plus 2 minus 4y minus 8 plus 7 equal to 0 is the equation of tangent. Minus x minus 2x minus 3x minus 3x minus 2y. This is 2y minus y minus 2y. Next this is 2 plus 7 9 minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0 by dividing the minus symbol. That implies we can write this one as 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 is the equation of tangent we got. To verify this line is common tangent to second circle also or not, we should use the condition r is equal to d. Using condition I am writing. Using condition r is equal to d for second circle, that also I am writing. For second circle. So what is the second circle radius? Root 13. What is the d? Perpendiculations from center to this line. This one minus 2 comma minus 3. 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3. minus 1 over modulus whole by root of 9 plus 4. This is minus 6, minus 6, minus 12, minus 1, minus 13, over modulus 13 by root 13 is root 13. Therefore, R is equal to D we got. Put a name here. This is third equation. Therefore, 3 is also a tangent of 3 is also a tangent of 2. So I mean third equation is the common tangent of second circle also. To find point of contact, here I am writing point of contact. Point of contact formula h minus x1 by a is equal to foot of perpendicular. H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus 1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus b1 plus c by a square plus b square. H minus, what is x1 here? H minus x1 means this is center minus 2 comma 3. So h plus 2 by, here the line is 3 is equal to k plus 3 by the point here, this is 2 minus of ax1. So 3 into minus 2 you can write. 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3 minus 1 whole by 9 plus 4. This is 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 6 minus 1 minus 13 minus of minus plus 13. 13 by 13 becomes it is 1. So you can write here now h plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. H plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 comma k plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So h is equal to 1 comma k is equal to minus 1. That's all. Therefore, the point of contact equal to 1 comma minus 1. That's all. This is also 7 marks IMP question. Now let us discuss about 9th question. Find the equations of tangents which are perpendicular. Okay. Find the equations here. Find the equations of tangents. Equations of tangents to the circle. Find the equations of tangents to the circle. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Find the equations of tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 which are perpendicular to. Which are perpendicular to the line 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Given circle and write. Given circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Here GF values discussing 2g equal to 2, 2f equal to minus 2. So R is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, g is equal to 1, f is equal to minus 1. R is equal to root of g square plus minus c, 1 plus 1 plus 3, root 5. 1 plus 1 plus 3, so R is equal to root 5. Given line, you write given line. Given line 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Slope you write here. Slope m is equal to 3. He is asking here, this is a tangent. This is a tangent 3x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. You should calculate the tangent of this circle which is perpendicular to the line. I said the general tangent formula. General tangent meaning is the equation of tangent having slope m. For the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square is y is equal to mx plus r minus r root 1 plus m square. And for the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c equal to 0 is y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus r minus r root 1 plus m square. That one we should use here. So whenever he given perpendicular tangent, you should write the slope is minus 1 by m. So this is original slope. Perpendicular slope is minus 1 by m. Whenever he is asking parallel tangent, simply you put the name, whatever slope is this, simply that slope you write. Now y is equal to perpendicular tangent I am writing. Perpendicular tangent formula draw like this. Y plus f is equal to minus 1 by m into x plus g plus r minus r root 1 plus like this rate minus 1 by m whole square. This is the formula. Write this formula and you can get the answer. Y plus f here, y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x plus 1 plus r minus r means here root 5 into root of 1 plus 1 by m square, 1 plus 1 by 9, that's all. Now you can write this one. 3y minus 3 is equal to minus x minus 1 plus or minus, this is 9 plus 1, 10, root 10, root 10 into root 5, root 50, root 50 you can write as 5 root 2. The 10 plus this one taken this side, it becomes x plus 3y, this becomes x plus 3y minus 3 plus 1, this is minus 2, this is plus r minus r plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now I am giving a hint to you that 8th question he is asking, find the equation of circle, a circle given and a line given parallel he is asking. Whenever he is given parallel tangent formula, find the slope and find the radius and draw formula, write the formula like this. Y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus r minus r root 1 plus m square. For 10th question I am giving hint to you. He given the equation of circle and making an angle 45 with the positive direction of x axis. Then equation of tangent formula x plus g into cos theta plus y plus f into sin theta is equal to r. That's all. Find the r and calculate that one. Next 10th question is 10 also issue. 11. 10th, this one only, 10th, okay, 10th completed, 11 and 30. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle passing through. Find the equation of circle passing through minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0. Touching the line x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 at 3 comma 4. This is a variety question because there is no radius, there is no center. If we know center, we can calculate the circle easily by knowing radius. How we can find radius? Using, if it is a tangent, using that one, r is equal to d we can write. If we don't know the tangent, if you give a length of chord, using length of chord formula 2 root r square plus d square, you can write. Here he did not give r length of chord, he did not mention regarding tangent. So what we should do? Equation of circle passing through a point and another point, 2 points he given. In 2001, for 8 marks given. In the old model, 8 mark question is there. Equation of circle passing through a point here -1, 0. The line x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Touching at 3, 4. If you are having any doubt, substitute the value here 3 plus 4 minus 7, you will be getting it is a 0. So now you can try to understand that whenever -1, 0 and 3, 4 are 2 points on the circle, you can say that if it is P and if it is Q, CP is equal to R and CQ is equal to R. From center to any point on the circle is called as radius. The distance from center to any point on the circle is called as radius. So radii are equal in any circle using the concept. We know that radii are equal in any circle. Radii are equal in any circle. That implies I am writing here CP is equal to CP. Let here I am writing let C alpha comma beta be the center. Alpha comma beta be the center. So see here you write center alpha comma beta. Using CP is equal to CQ, write the distance between. Here you can write alpha minus 3 whole square plus beta minus 4 whole square is equal to, there you can write alpha plus 1 whole square plus beta square. So by expanding we can get it alpha square will be getting cancelled, beta square will be getting cancelled. Here you can write, here I am writing as minus 6 alpha minus 8 beta plus 9 plus 4, 13 is equal to here 2 alpha, that's all, 2 alpha plus 1. So we can write 2 alpha taken this side, 4 alpha. This is minus 6 alpha. So taken that side, 6 alpha should be taken this side. So it becomes 8 alpha. 8 alpha. This is 9 plus 16, 25. Not 30. This is 25. 9 plus 16, 25. This one taken this side becomes 8 alpha plus 8 beta. 8 alpha plus 8 beta minus 24 equal to 0. If you divide this one with 8, you can write as alpha plus beta minus 3 equal to 0. Alpha plus beta minus 3 equal to 0. Let it be first equation. Now, using the concept that perpendicular distance from center to the line is nothing but radius if the line is a tangent. So, using the R is equal to D concept or perpendicular concept, you can know that the CQ is perpendicular to tangent. By condition I am writing here. By condition we have, what is the condition means? Tangent condition only. By condition we have CP perpendicular to tangent, that implies CP perpendicular to tangent, that implies a slope of CP into slope of tangent. Slope of CP into slope of tangent equal to minus 1. That implies you can write now beta minus 4 using the concept of y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. Beta minus 4 by alpha minus 3 into this slope of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 get cancelled. You can write here alpha minus 3 is equal to beta minus 4. That implies that one taken this side. Alpha minus 2 beta minus 4 plus 4. Alpha minus 2 beta plus 4 equal to 0. Solving 1 and 3. Simply I am writing 1 plus 2. By point of intersection also we can solve. It is better I think. Alpha minus beta. 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. Anything, no problem. 1 minus 2. Alpha and alpha got cancelled. Beta plus 2 beta. Here beta minus 4 is equal to minus 1 got cancelled. Alpha minus beta is wrong. Beta minus 4. Here beta minus 4 you should write. That implies beta minus 4 is equal to alpha minus 3. That implies alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta plus 1 equal to 0. Alpha minus beta plus 1 equal to 0. So now 1 plus 2 I am writing. 1 plus 2. Alpha, 2 alpha, beta got cancelled. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So 2 alpha is equal to 2. Therefore, alpha is equal to 1. Whenever alpha is equal to 1, substitute here 1 plus beta minus 3 is equal to 0. Beta is equal to minus 2. So beta is equal to 2 here. 1 plus beta minus 3, 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Beta minus 2 is equal to 0. Beta is equal to 2. So center C is equal to, we got as 1 comma 2. So how will you get radius? Simply you write CP is equal to R or CQ is equal to R. The distance between CP is equal to, put here 1 comma 2, then you can understand that CP is equal to R and this is equal to R. This distance or this distance should be equal to radius. 1 plus 1 whole square. You write here 1 plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. 1 plus 1 whole square or 2 minus 0 whole square. What is the value of 1 plus 1 whole square? 4 plus 4 root 8. Equation of circle. Therefore, required equation of circle. Required equation of circle is x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 8. X square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 5 minus 8. So minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. Now let us discuss the 13th question. Show that the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 touches the circle. Show that the line x plus y touches the circle. X plus y plus 1 equal to 0 touches the circle. X square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 equal to 0 and its point of contact. And its a point of contact. If a circle touches the line, you should know the condition R is equal to D. Students, for objective I am discussing all these sums, even though you know, you can do the sums. Because level 1 you should do in objective. X square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 equal to 0. Center I am writing here as 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2. The line is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So here R is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c concept. 9 by 4 plus 49 by 4 minus 14 over root. 9 plus 49, 58. This is minus 58 minus 56. 2 by 4, 1 by 2, so this is 1 by root. Now D is equal to, you write here, D is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line You can write here 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 over modulus by root 2. 3 minus 7 minus 4 by 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 means modulus 1 by root 2. Therefore R is equal to D. Since R is equal to D, given line touches given circle or given line is tangent of given circle. Given line touches given circle. Now to calculate the point of contact, we should calculate the point foot of perpendicular from center to the line. Point of contact is equal to h minus x1 formula, h minus 3 by 2 by, this is h minus 3 by 2. H minus 3 by 2 by 1 is equal to k plus 7 by 2 by 1 is equal to minus of 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. H minus 3 by 2. H minus 3 by 2 by 1 is equal to k plus 7 by 2 by 1 is equal to minus, this is 3 minus 7 minus 4 by 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus half minus plus 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. That implies h minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, comma k plus 7 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So h is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 1. K is equal to minus 7 plus 1 by 2, minus 7 plus 1 minus 6 by 2 plus 1. Therefore, point of contact. Point of contact equal to 2 comma minus 3. Exercise 1C completed. I think plenty of sums I said to you. Depends upon objective. Because objective level 1 you should do, that is why I said these sums. I think 12th question you cannot do. This is somewhat difficult sum. Find the equation of circle passing through a point and touching the lines. You should use R is equal to D concept to see from center, that is the alpha comma beta, and passing to the circle x plus y plus 2x plus 2f plus equal to 0 and substitute the value 1 comma minus 1 the circle using R is equal to here and R is equal to here. You will be getting 4 cases. 2 cases will fail, 2 cases will succeed, and in another model 1 case will fail and 1 case will be succeed. If you are having any doubt, you ask me, otherwise simply leave it. The question will not be given, never be given in exams. I know very well. Okay students, let us discuss the concept in next class.